guys, welcome back to my channel Arabian Dreams. Hope you all are fine and safe. I'm sure that you all would have saw the thumbnail before getting into this video. So you all would definitely have an idea about what I'm going to share in this vlog. So finally I got vaccinated with the first dose here in Yanbu from Royal Commission Medical Center. And I'm gonna share my experience about it. Actually, me and my husband, we were trying for the vaccine appointment from almost 3 weeks. And we weren't getting any appointment. And finally got the appointment 2 weeks ago. And my first dose of vaccine was Pfizer. After reaching the spot, I wasn't sure if I was allowed to take videos. So I couldn't capture everything. I was able to capture only a few clips that I have shared in this vlog. In Royal Commission Medical Center, before getting vaccinated, they are providing a vaccine checklist where you need to answer certain questions regarding your health and then they allow you to get vaccinated. After vaccination, I got dizziness, headache, body ache and several other symptoms for few days. It took almost a week for me to get back to normal. This is only my experience. Heard from many of my friends that they were completely normal after the vaccination. It varies from person to person depending on their health conditions. So please get yourself vaccinated. In this vlog I have included a wonderful and the most requested recipe, that is pan pizza recipe. Let's check out the ingredients. We need 1 large onion finely chopped, half teaspoon of chili powder, less than half teaspoon of cumin powder, some salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder, 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, 200 grams of minced meat. You can even use chicken if you have. 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Let's get started. Take a pan, add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil to it. Now transfer the meat to the pan. Now saute the meat. Once the meat gets halfly cooked, add the spices, that is the cumin powder, chili powder, pepper powder and some salt. Now mix all the ingredients well. Then add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute it well until the raw smell is gone. Once the meat is almost cooked, then add 1 finely chopped onion to it. Saute it for about 2 minutes until it changes its color slightly. Now our meat is completely ready. Leave it aside. For preparing the pizza dough, we need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a cup of fresh yogurt, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now I have taken 2 cups of all-purpose flour. To that I am adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of salt. Now mix all the ingredients well. Then add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to it, 1 cup of fresh yogurt, now mix all the ingredients and knead the dough. The dough should be very soft. Now cover and leave the dough only for about 10 minutes. Now for the toppings, I have taken red bell peppers, yellow bell peppers and some olives. You can take any other veggies of your choice. And we need some mozzarella cheese. For making pizza sauce, I have taken around 4 to 5 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. To that I am adding 1 tablespoon of vinegar, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of dry thyme leaves. You can use oregano if you have. If you don't have any of these ingredients, you can skip it. Now mix all the ingredients well. Our pizza sauce is also ready. After 10 minutes, the dough has become very soft. Knead the dough once again. Add some olive oil to it while kneading. Now I have divided the dough. Roll out the dough into the size of the pan. Now poke the dough using fork. Now take a pan on a very low flame, add some oil to it. Spread the oil evenly on the pan. Now transfer the rolled out sheet to the pan. Once you start seeing the bubbles on the top, just flip it to the other side. Make sure the flame is very low. Now add the pizza sauce on the top and spread it evenly. Then add some minced meat on the top and spread it evenly. Then spread some mozzarella cheese on the top. Then add some yellow bell peppers, red bell peppers and some olives. Cover with the lid and leave it on a very low flame for about 5 minutes or until the cheese melts completely. Now after 5 minutes, you can see our cheesy pan pizza is ready to be served. Transferring it to a plate. See how yummy, colorful and cheesy it is. Hope you all like this vlog. Now for making a delicious pizza, you don't need an oven. You can simply make it using a pan. If you crave for eating pizza, this is a perfect recipe for you all. Even the crust of the pizza has came out so well, unlike the original recipe. Try this wonderful recipe at your home and do give me your valuable feedbacks. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you all for watching.